So let me go through it with you, right? So there's a formula, right? And it looks like this, okay? So D equals to A x1 plus B y1 plus C all over the square root of A squared plus B squared, etc., right? So that is the equation of a straight line, right? And we want the distance between that and B. So that's the equation of, or they're the coordinates of the point, okay? So the way this works is if you have an equation in general form, which is that, all right? So do you guys understand general form?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So general form just means that you've got x, y constant equals to 0. The x coordinate has to be positive, or usually is positive, right? And the numbers that go out the front, the coefficients of x, y, and the constant have to be in the smallest whole number ratio, okay? Where that's the case, A would be equal to what? It'd be equal to 1 because it's the number or the coefficient in front of the x, all right? So if you get the drift, what would B be, Clayton?
2.
Yep, positive 2. And Cameron, what would C be?
Negative 8.
Negative 8, absolutely. Got it? What would x1 be? Artie, what do you think x1 would be? Just take a stab in the dark.
3.
Oh, absolutely. Well done. So you got powers of, what's it called? You got powers. And then what? Clayton?
0.
0. Okay. What do you think we do next? Cameron, what do you think we might do next?
Put them into the formula.
Yeah, sub them all in. Okay. So if we sub them all in, right, you've got 1 squared plus 2 squared. Okay. What is it? 1 times 3 plus 2 times 0 plus C equals to negative 8. Okay. And why do you think it might be in absolute value?
Because it's a distance, so it can't be a negative value.
Yeah, so it can't be negative. Okay. So that's the reason why. And so we've got negative 5. Okay. So that's equal to 0. This bit's equal to 0. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Absolute value, right, means that it becomes positive 5. All right, so your answer is 1.
Shouldn't that be root of 5 though?
Yeah, it should be root 5. So the answer is
Root 5.
yeah, root 5. Got it? Well done, Artie. You get a gold star for picking up my mistake. And then the question says, hence or otherwise find the area of ABC. Okay. What do you think we might do, Artie? Because you were the one that asked this question.
Cosine rule.
Ooh, that's one way of doing it.
That's the only way I know.
Well, let's have a think about this. What have we just found? What does this root 5 represent?
Height.
Well,
Like the perpendicular height.
distance
Like if
from
yeah,
AC.
from the base to the
Yeah. Okay. So that distance there is root 5. Yep. Any other takers? How might you find the area of this triangle?
I think I might know.
Yes. Take another.
Okay. Would it be where you use like the normal area of a triangle, but then you use an angle with it?
Or what angle?
Like AB sine theta?
Yeah. I mean, that's one way of doing it. I mean, what are the two formula for finding the area of a triangle? Okay. The two formula are half AB sine C.
Yeah.
And what's the other formula that you could use?
Half base times height.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Can I tell you that this question is setting you up to use one of these formulas and not the other?
Yeah, it would be base times height.
Yeah, so how would that work?
We'd find the length of AC.
Yes, and that would be your base. Yep.
Yep.
And what would your height be?
5.
Root 5.
Root of 5.
Yeah, do you see that?
Yeah.
And so there you go, right? So base, right, would be the length of AC, which would be the square root of, now let's have a think, 0 minus 6. Yep. Whoops. All squared. Plus, what would it be? 4 minus 1? All squared? Yep. Which would be 36 plus 9. So it'd be root 45, wouldn't it be?
Yeah. And that would become 3 root 5.
Yep. Which is 3 root 5.
So it'd be 3 root 5 times root 5, which becomes 3 times 5. So it's
Which
half
is
15 on 2.
15 on 2, yeah. Got it?
Yep.
Yep. So the area, let me just finish this off. Area equals to half base, which is 3 root 5 times root 5, which is 7.5. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yep. Cool. Awesome. So 12B's done. Happy with that? The bit that probably would have stumped you is the perpendicular distance, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So just be, probably take a note of that if you haven't already done so. Okay. I don't
I wrote it down.
new syllabus. Can't remember, but it's probably worth noting anyway. I'll leave it up for a little while. Okay.